Morning po. Magta-try po tayo ng citrus drink ngayon. I've been seeing a lot of requests, no, and messages sa Messenger po, asking about reviewing yung mga brands, famous brands, no, na nagtitinda ng citrus drinks, no. So we found one. This is actually bought from SM Supermarket. So it's a local entrepreneur. So kung maganda po yung review nito, I would suggest na suportahan po natin, at least local po ito. So ang baseline po natin, no, blood sugar baseline 106. Yan. Tapos iinom po ako ng isang bottle, and then hindi ko po ubusin lahat yan. Inom po ako ng isang bottle, and then I'll be back after 2 hours to see kung ano po yung magiging impact po sa blood sugar. Tampico, yun po yung name nung product. It says low calorie, zero sugar, citrus flavored drink. Yan. Very interesting po itong produkto na to, no? Kasi it says on the nutrition facts, 1 gram lang po yung carbohydrates, tapos 0 po yung sugar. So kung totoo po yung nakalagay sa nutrition facts nito, definitely this wouldn't spike my blood sugar. We'll see. 227 ml. So ganun po siya karami. Now 2 hours na po after drinking the citrus juice today, no? So ito po siya. Tampico, yung pangalan po ng brand. This is a local brand. Zero sugar. So yan. So ano po naging itsura nung blood sugar spike po natin? Ang baseline po natin was at 106 units. 106 units po, no? That was 2 hours ago. So ito po yung naging itsura niya. Yan. So we started at 106. Nagplateau lang po siya. Na actually today, now is the second hour, no. 110 lang po yung blood sugar ko. So definitely sobrang minimal po nung blood sugar spike niya. At nung first hour po niya, it remained the same. 106 din po yung first hour. So umakyat po siya ng bahagya 108. 1.5 hours after ko siya inumin. Tapos now it's 110. I don't think na aakyat pa to sa 110. So steady lang po muna to in the next several minutes. But definitely bababa na po to probably after 30 minutes. So conclusion po, pwede po siya para sa diabetic. So doon po sa mga naghahanap ng something citrusy, try nyo po ito. Sa local groceries meron po ito. Plus sa local entrepreneur po ito. So nakasuporta pa po tayo sa local businessman. So yun lang po for this review. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.